Hey, are you looking for an office chair for your regular office or your home office that is suitable enough for a bigger person? Ergonomic, got all the stuff, and it won't break the bank. Inexpensive. I got one here for you. This is the Flexfit Dexley chair, and I'm going to put it together and tell you all about it and show it to you. And it may just be the chair that you can get for your office. Right after this. Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well today. Hope you're having a good day. Alright, just got off from work. I'm here in my office here, my work from home office. Started working from home full time February of 2020. Before that, I was working a day or two a week or just whenever I need to. And the chair I'm sitting in is a just standard office chair from Office Depot that I got 19 years ago. Nothing special, no frills. I've changed the cylinder out in a few times, but I'm starting to come apart. Losing the padding. I'm a big guy. And my back's been hurting, so I sit for an hour and then I'll stand for an hour all day long. I've got it in standing position. So what I have done, I've been looking around for a chair, so it's hard to find a chair that's ergonomic and fits somebody that's over 6'2" and 200 and some odd pounds comfortably. That's not crazy expensive. I mean, you go get a Herman Miller or one of those brands like that, and you're spending $1,000, $1,500. You know, the X chair and all that stuff. I don't want to do that. I'm kind of cheap when it comes to stuff. So what I found a union scale, which is from, let me see if you can see that, Staples. Let me bring you over here to it. That'd be better to. It's called a Dexley chair Flexfit. And it has the headrest, the lumbar support, armrest, and there are the dimensions. I'll put the dimensions and everything, but what it has a mesh seat in it. It's not solid, so your rear end won't get sweaty. And everything, because this one, if you sit for a long time, you'll have swamp butt. So it's what it's called down here in the south. Even though I got air conditioning, it gets kind of hot in here. So another thing I got, and also this chair was about 60% off of retail price too. And I said, hey, that's good. All the ones on Amazon were crazy expensive, and this one was not. I mean, I think I really got a deal in it as long as it fits. Another thing I actually got for it, I'm going to take the standard wheels. It's got wheels like this one's got, and I'm going to put the rollerblade wheels on it. So I bought these. These were not terribly expensive. They're ball bearing, smooth rolling. Got those. This comes in the kit. Links to everything be in the description. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and open this guy up. Let me roll this one out of the way. Let me speed you through this. What you doing, Ebert? What you doing? All right, got her open. Okay, it's got one little tray of so all the screws and stuff, little Allen wrench. It tells how many and what they are, and they got a little thread locker already on them. And I'm hoping that's the instruction pack with it. Now here are the casters that come with it, and they're just like what I got on my other chair. We won't be using those, but we will put those up. Got the little hydraulic cylinder. Got that. Time to put all in. Let's see, we got the armrest. Come on, get out of there. Got the adjustable armrest right there. And they're marked left and right for the people that don't know how to do it. Okay, here's the backrest. It's wrapped really good. And I hope it's not damaged. The box got a little rash on it. We'll see here in a minute. Here's the headrest. And like I said, the seat, you can see through it there. It's breathable. And like I said, this chair is made for somebody that's a little bit taller. Here's the pedestal, or not the pedestal, the base. And here's the little adjustable thing that the base and the cylinder goes on. It has all the adjustments and stuff. Good deal. There we go. All right, let me get rid of the box. There's nothing there. Let me get rid of the box, and we'll come right back to putting this joker together. All right, so you want to make sure you have all the parts and everything. So we ought to have 6 yellow screws. We ought to have 4 blue screws, 3 green screws, and all the screws are color coded on this. I'll show you here in just a second. And 2 yellow screws. I thought maybe it was thread locker, but I think it's paint. And then you ought to have an Allen wrench. Put it all together. But what's cool, for people that don't put stuff together and everything, it has the steps already printed on these little cards in each one of the bags. Like the yellow screws are step 3, part A. So, all right, we'll have the casters, the base, the lift, the seat plate, seat, back, 2 arms, and a headrest with the Allen wrench. So, step number 1, we're going to follow through. I'll speed you through this. I'll just point you down here to the floor, and we will go from here. We will put the casters on the base. All right, there you have it. One ergonomic chair put together. I got adjustable armrest. Got a little padding on them. I can adjust them in and out if I want to. The height is good. My feet are flat on the ground. Got a headrest. And it kind of rocks back a little bit. You can adjust. Let me go through the adjustments on it real quick. The manual is laid out good. The parts are laid out good. I give this a 10 out of 10. This was, it took me, what, 10 minutes to put it all together. So you have seat height adjustment, upright seat tilt lock, lumbar support adjustment, tilt tension, and arm height adjustment. And it shows you how to adjust everything on here. You know, it's got little things underneath you can lock it on. This one I got it for $159 at Staples. This is August 15th, 2023. Links be in the description. The casters, they're the rollerblade type, and they roll really good. Ball bearing, easy to put on. They were $15. You can get them anywhere from like $12 to, I think I seen some that were $69, and I said, no, I don't need that. These will go around, they won't mar the floor and be good, but really smooth. Really good looking chair. It, like I said, it does have mesh back, mesh here, mesh here. The warranty, it's a, I'm going to say a 5-year warranty. Check it out here. So that's, you can see the wheels, all the controls and everything. Lumbar, got it right there. It's adjustable. So anyway, if you've got any questions about this chair, I'll try to help you out. I'll do the best I can with it, and let me know what kind of chair you got. I'd like to know. If you've got a Herman Miller or an X chair or Ergonomic, one of those, let me know. This is just what I wanted because I didn't want to spend just a buttload of money. So, but anyway, I hope you get something out of this. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified for more content, especially it's going to be smart home and home, work from home stuff. If you work from home, tell me, say yes or no. So I enjoy it. I've just about become a hermit. So I don't leave the house unless I need to. But anyway, that's all I have for today. But anyway, I hope you guys are having a great day and a great week. And like I always say, until the next video, thanks for watching.